oracle. It operates on oracle, and oracle responds to the right question. If the villager asks a question about the agriculture, now I can compare this agriculture with, say for example, momentum operator. So when the villager enters the temple using a state vector, the oracle responds, and responds discretely, responds with the particular answers to the problem, gives you the eigenvalues of the momentum. So the situation between the villagers and the oracle sitting in a temple is same as that of an operator and the outcome of a measurement. Getting my point? This is how nature responds. So it doesn't mean that you can have all types of operators. You cannot have an operator of emotions right now as long as we understand quantum mechanics. When you will ask a question based on the emotions to the oracle, maybe the oracle will confuse. He will give you a weird answer. So you have a particular set of operators. They act on the oracle, and oracle responds. He has many answers available to him. He has a sea of answers available to him. But he knows what answer he has to give to the question that's asked to him. Are you getting my point? I can turn back the same story to the same oracle and the same villagers. Now there is a villager, he holds a dice in his hand. We understand a dice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He goes with the dice to the oracle. But he already knows that if I know the initial conditions with which I will throw this dice, I will exactly predict what will be the outcome of that experiment. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
He knows classical physics. And classical physics purely allows us, it tells